Doon sa dagat-dagatang apoy, mayroon siyang tinatawag na degree of punishment. Kung marami kang kasalanan, matagal kang mamatay doon sa dagat-dagatang apoy bago ka magiging pulbos at mawala. At doon sa kaunti ang kasalanan, madali kang magiging pulbos o magiging matunaw. According to Luke chapter 12 verses 47-48, "And that servant which knew his Lord will, and prepared not himself, neither did according to his will, shall be beaten with many stripes. But he that knew not, and did commit things worthy of stripe, shall be beaten with few stripes. For unto whosoever much is given, of him shall be much required. To whom men are committed much, of him they shall ask the more." Kaya ang pinakahuling mauubos o matutunaw doon sa dagat-dagatang apoy ay si Satanas.